Are we alone in the universe, or are there other forms of intelligent life awaiting discovery? This age-old question has gripped our curiosity for centuries. Our intrigue with the celestial unknown has sparked myths, theories, and intense discussions, leading us to the Fermi paradox. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, the Fermi paradox wrestles with a contradiction. It juxtaposes the high likelihood of life with our lack of contact such civilizations. This paradox questions our beliefs about life and civilization, and presents a baffling riddle that stumps scientists worldwide. To resolve this paradox, we look to the Great Filter theory. This concept attempts to explain the cosmic silence, implying a barrier or filter hampers the advancement of civilizations. Whether this formidable filter in our past or future remains a mystery, fueling our quest of space exploration. Whether this formidable filter lies in our past or our future remains an enigma, and it continues to drive our exploration of the cosmos. The Great Filter theory is a proposed solution to the Fermi paradox. This statement might be stirring some thoughts in your mind. What exactly is the Great Filter theory? How is it related to our understanding of the universe? Today we are delving deep into these intriguing questions. The Great Filter is a theoretical concept that suggests the existence of a formidable barrier or obstacle in the evolutionary timeline of life. This barrier is no small hurdle. It's a cosmic blockade, a formidable wall that appears to play a crucial role in the progression of life. It's hypothesized to impede or significantly deter progress from the most rudimentary life forms towards achieving the status of a Type 3 civilization. Now you might be curious, what is this Type 3 civilization? It represents a civilization that has attained such an extraordinary degree of technological advancement that it can control the energy of an entire galaxy. Imagine a civilization so incredibly advanced that it would be virtually inconceivable for us to overlook their existence. So why is this concept significant? The relevance of the Great Filter theory lies in its potential to shed light on a question that has confounded scientists for decades, the enigma known as the Fermi paradox. This paradox, named after the renowned physicist Enrico Fermi, ponders the baffling question: why, despite the infinite number of stars and planets in the universe, we haven't encountered any evidence of intelligent alien life? If life is truly abundant in the universe, and if a portion of that life is intelligent and technologically advanced, we should be surrounded by cosmic compatriots. However, the reality is different. Our cosmic telephone has remained remarkably quiet. This unnerving silence implies the possibility that civilizations might self-destruct before or upon achieving the status of a Type 3 civilization, according to the Great Filter theory. Could it be that the Great Filter is in our past, and we are among the lucky few species that have succeeded in crossing it? Or could it be that the Great Filter is not yet behind us, but rather looms in our future? Is humanity yet to face its most formidable challenge? These are the daunting questions that the Great Filter theory introduces, casting a chilling shadow on our existence, the universe. So, what are the implications of the Great Filter for humanity? Hold on to your seats as we explore this mind-bending question in our next segment. Stay tuned. Should the Great Filter exist, it opens up two distinct possibilities for the human race. To understand these possibilities, we must first delve into the concept of the Great Filter. The theory of the Great Filter is a hypothesis that suggests the existence of an insurmountable obstacle or critical barrier in the lifespan of civilizations. This barrier is assumed to prevent civilizations from becoming interstellar entities. Let's now explore these two potential scenarios. The initial scenario proposes that the Great Filter is something that humanity has already overcome. This implies that we, as a collective species, have managed to traverse through this supposed astronomical blockade. It suggests that we've endured where others have faltered. Amidst the immeasurable cosmic ocean, we've emerged as the unusual, possibly even unique, beacon of life that has successfully maneuvered through the turbulent seas of existence. This perspective is rather optimistic, but it brings with it a profound feeling of solitude. This leads us to the question, are we the only intelligent beings in this vast, intricate universe? The second scenario offers a more disquieting perspective. It theorizes that the Great Filter is something that we've yet to encounter. It signifies that our civilization is on the brink of facing an unprecedented trial, one that could pose a threat to our very existence. This is a sobering proposition. Thus far, we've withstood natural calamities, global conflicts, pervasive diseases, but there might be a more formidable challenge lurking in the shadows, a hurdle that no civilization in the cosmic history has been able to overcome. If this is the reality, then the path toward becoming a spacefaring civilization may already be destined for failure. A truly spine-chilling thought, indeed. These, however, are merely conjectures. We've yet to confirm the existence of the Great Filter, and even if it does exist, we do not know its relative position to us. But this theory does much more than just offering a potential solution to the Fermi paradox. The possibility of the Great Filter compels us to reevaluate our position in the universe, our historical journey, and our potential future. It makes us confront the stark reality of our existence. Regardless of which scenario holds true, if at all, the Great Filter presents a paradox of its own. If the filter is in our past, we might be the sole intelligent life in the universe. If it lies in our future, our survival is precariously uncertain. Both scenarios pose fascinating yet disconcerting possibilities. The Great Filter theory plays a significant role in our search for extraterrestrial life. This theory, at its most fundamental level, attempts to shed light on the profound quietness of the cosmos, a silence that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. If life is not a miraculous accident but a natural result of the laws of physics and chemistry, then where are all other life forms? Why is it that we, on our little blue dot, seem to be the only sentient beings in a universe of trillions of stars and galaxies? The Great Filter theory provides a potential answer to this unsettling question. It proposes that life in the universe encounters a type of cosmic hurdle or obstacle, something that hampers it from flourishing and diffusing across the stars. This could be any number of things, from a cataclysmic self-destruction through warfare and conflict, an inability to survive the natural disasters that regularly shake and reshape a planet, or it could be a difficulty so abstract and inconceivable that we, with our limited human perspective, cannot even begin to imagine. Now let's apply this theory to our search for extraterrestrial life. Imagine if we were to discover rudimentary life forms on Mars or within the icy moons of Jupiter. Such a discovery would undoubtedly be groundbreaking, reshaping our understanding of life and our place within the universe. But it would also present a chilling implication. If life is frequent in the universe and yet we see no evidence of advanced civilizations, it strongly proposes that the Great Filter lies ominously ahead of us, not safely behind us. In essence, unearthing extraterrestrial life could suggest that civilizations are prone to self-destruction or encounter some other disastrous end before they can leave a significant impact on the universe. If life is abundant and the filter is yet to be faced, it implies we are nearer to our termination than our commencement. This conclusion, however, does not mean we should cease our search for extraterrestrial life. Rather, it means we should pursue it with even more vigor. By gaining an understanding of the Great Filter and its implications, we might find the key to our continued existence. If we can identify what this filter is and determine a way to surmount it, we could potentially be the first civilization to survive this universal trial. As we persist in our search for life beyond Earth, we have to grapple with the connotations of what we might discover. We could be alone in the universe, or we might not. Regardless, the Great Filter theory gives us a framework to understand our place in the cosmos and perhaps to navigate the challenges that lie ahead. The Great Filter theory leaves us with more questions than answers. It prompts us to ponder on the vastness of the cosmos, the rarity of our existence, and the paradox of our solitude. This theory, though unsettling, underscores the urgency of our exploration beyond Earth and the importance of safeguarding our own civilization. So as we gaze up at the stars and wonder if we are alone in the universe, we must also contemplate the challenges that lie ahead and the mysteries that remain unsolved.